In this class, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Photoshop document or Photoshop canvas. Now my screen might look a little bit different to yours because I've been using Photoshop for quite a while, and what Photoshop does is it brings up all your last open documents or templates that you've been working on. So pretty much all your history, you could say. So all you need to do to get started is to click onto File and hit New, or you can click onto Create New. And this is where it will open up the File menu. What's great about Photoshop is it has this great feature where it gives you the standard sizes for different applications. So for example, you have your photos, all the different dimensions in photos. It has prints, everything from your letter size, legal size, tabloid size, A4 size, and so on and so on and so on. So before you get started, you need to think about what you will be making, what size you want it to be, and what type of design you want it to be. Even though these can be adjusted later on, it's always a good idea to know before you get started. Now on the right hand side over here, you will see various options. Where it says Untitled, you can pop in the name of your project. So for instance, if I'm making a farm invitation 5x7, I would pop in there farm invitation 5x7. Next, you have your measurements. So you have your width, your height, pixels, inches, etc. I normally keep it as inches, and I would either click on exactly what I'm wanting over here, or I would pop in my dimensions over here. Okay, you can see my recent items that I have clicked on will be showing under recent items. Okay, but if I couldn't find it there, I would then just go and look for it there, or I would enter in my details here. The next thing is resolution. Now the rule of thumb is when you're printing something, you keep it as a 300 resolution. But if you're designing something for the web, like a Facebook ad or a blog post, the resolution is normally 72. And you would keep it as pixels and inches. RGB code, for your color mode, I normally keep it as RGB code. And my background, I have it as white, or sometimes I have it as transparent. But for now, just to keep things simple, I am going to keep it as white. Alright, but I am actually going to change my dimensions, and that is going to be, my width is going to be 5, and my height is going to be 7. And we're going to make a 5x7 invitation. So next, I'm going to hit Create, and your canvas will appear.